Hi guys, I got this message from a student. So let's first check out what she have to say and then we'll look at the detailed analysis. Generally, I don't feel like giving mocks anymore because the way I'm scoring is going not taking me anywhere. I generally need you to guide me here and how to go. I'm keeping up with the hope till now. I don't see myself going into JBIMS or Sydenham, any of the colleges. Fine. So when asked for the report, how much you're scoring and all, then she sent me, I'll share my analysis and all with you. I'll keep everything in front of you because this year I have to go to a good college. You are the right person, genuine request, this and that. Okay, this is a typical thing what is going on in a lot of students' mind. So he or she is not the only one. Okay, many students are feeling the same thing. Okay, but when I asked her the report, how many marks are given? Let it be CAT exam, let it be CET exam. This is the same story which is being repeated every year with everybody, including me. The same thing happened to me as well. Okay, before I give you my answer to this, तुम पहले मेरे को ये बताओ, एक 5 साल का बच्चा, he is 5 year old, he is telling his dad कि डैड मेरा हाइट नहीं बढ़ रहा है, why I am not 5 feet 10 inch. अरे बेटा तू 5 साल का है, तू साले पैदा तो होले पहले. You will become taller than me, but at least give it time, it will happen. So answer to my question is very simple, but this is a very good news. If you are feeling that way, if you are sending messages like this means तुम्हारी फटनी शुरू हुई है. Yeah, and that's what we done in the college days also. जब तुम्हारी फट रही है तो और पढ़ो, गिव अप नहीं करना है. गिव अप कर भी दिया तो क्या करोगे बेटा? और मार्केटिंग में जॉब लगेगी तुम्हें, सेल्स में, ठीक है, 15,000 20,000 12,000 कमाओगे, चलेगा? नहीं चलेगा. That's why this is the now there are two ways for you. Either now you will go up by doing the hard work or you will go down. So decide which side you want to go. You'll be surprised to know she have only given 2 marks. यार ये प्रॉब्लम है आजकल हमारे में. Today we have become so much into this thing, so much impatient that we want the results immediately. Yeah, guys, 2 marks में नहीं बनने वाला. You need at least 30 marks. Let it be a CAT exam, let it be a CET exam. This is a typical story every year. We start losing hope very soon. And trust me, anybody have gone through this same situation last year or have given the marks earlier, please do say yes or no whether you have felt the same thing. Yeah, so this is very important. Yeah, gradually we'll grow up. You have to go up. In CET, first mock, you have to score 50 to 70 marks. Everybody have scored 50 to 70 marks. Anybody who score more than that, he's a repeater. He have given the exam last year. Or he have done a few basics, lot of basic topics, they completed everything, then given the exam. Same for CAT exam. First mock 30 to 40 आने वाला यार. I did a recording of guy from IIM Ahmedabad. In first mock, he scored 17 marks. Just imagine, 17 to 99.9 percentile that guy have gone. So, answer the question is very, very simple. Advice to everyone: wait for the first 5 marks. Yeah, first 5 marks you have to give, and don't wait for the syllabus to get over to give a mock. Syllabus तुम्हारा कभी खत्म होने वाला है ही नहीं. It's impossible to complete your syllabus. So keep giving the mocks. Those who are giving CET, you have to give a mock, 1 mock to 2 mocks every week. Let's wait for the date to come. Let the CET date come. We'll replan everything. But for the time being, you have to give 1 to 2 mocks every week. Same for the CAT student, 1 mock every month. I don't want you to burn out today. Okay. Mock is just to tell you, is kind of a to understand where you stand today. So gradually improve. From CET point of view, for example, for her, she's already scoring 80 marks, which is very good score. Maybe CAT दिया था पहले तो 80 आ गया उसका. 80, 100, 120, 140. This is your race. These are your target score. 20 number improve करना है. 20 question extra you have to keep solving. Not today. This is a target in March. How can you give up today यार on JBIMS? Will improve ना, करेंगे ना improvement. For that, you have to find out where you stand today. Alright, and gradually अपने आप score improve होगा. So the moment you see you are not performing up to the mark, you have to change the shift or you have to improve yourself. Yeah, for example, you can upgrade. She already joined a MOOC. She can upgrade to the classroom program for the shortcut workshops because you have to catapult yourself. Suppose you're stuck here at 90, 100, then you have to improve that. Yep, same way from CAT student. And my first expectation from CAT student, 30 marks. No problem, get me 30 marks. 30, then we move to 50, 80, 100, 120, and 150. These are the 6 magic number of the cat paper. Okay. Yeah. Second thing which I recommend is comparing your score with the table. So this is the table which I made here. Now, those who are scoring less than 80 marks, your first target is 80 marks. And this is a section by section. This is the score you need to get. If you're already scoring 80, next target 100, then 120, then 140. Okay, do not directly look at 140 यार. Obviously यार 80 वाला बच्चा अगर सीधा 140 देखेगा तो बर्बाद होगा ही. This exactly happened today in Thane branch. I gave them the target. Your target is 140. अपन जे भी जाएंगे, ये है वो है. पहले बच्चे ने पूछा how much you scoring? So I'm scoring 70 marks, which is exactly half of that. यार 70 वाले के सामने if I show 140 वो भाग जाएगा, कल से आएगा ही नहीं कि कुछ भी. ठीक है, तो we will improve. We'll gradually improve. I'll talk about this in my detailed video आगे जाके in each of them. Right now, wherever you stand, you have to look at the next target. You are scoring 80 plus. This is the number I wanted to achieve. This is the mota target. All right. सब ठीक होएगा. Don't worry at all. Give 5 marks के बाद you'll get the analysis. 5 mark के बाद, the moment you do the breakup, you will immediately understand where your improvement is. ठीक है. So don't worry. In fact, this is a good news. Today you are sad. It will make you work hard more. Don't give up.